Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 36th video in this series. It means that we have already discussed 35 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो आपके एग्जाम में आते हैं. So if you are going to follow our strategies, your results are guaranteed. चाहे आपका जो target score है वो 84 है और 66 है. Right? So first things first, now PTE is accepted in UK. So you can achieve your dream of studying, working or settling in UK through PTE. And 90% of now Canadian universities accept PTE academic. And if you are applying for family visa in the UK, you can do it through PTE Home. And my name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now the demand especially for PR students is 84 points. So if I can score, you can also score. So many students of ours have scored if you are going to follow the strategies which we are going to tell. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PTE reading. The module is 32 to 41 minutes and आपको खुद अपना time manage करना होता है. And one thing which students do not realize, जो PTE reading का module है, that is not out of 90. The total marks are 47 or 48 marks. We are going to see the details scoring in the due course. And there are 5 question types in PTE reading. The third question type is reorder paragraphs. Okay. And this is the real PTE reading scoring, where you can see the reading total is 47 marks. Out of those, reorder paragraphs are 6 marks. So if you have 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each. And अगर आपको 3 reorder paragraphs आते हैं, तो it will be of 2 marks each. Okay. Now about the timing, you know that you have just 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes you have to solve. This is the time we could find out through our artificial intelligence analysis and big data analysis. So in these 2 minutes आपको बहुत सारे tasks करने होते हैं. Like आपको सबसे पहले skim करना होता है reorder paragraph को, फिर read करना होता है, फिर pairs बनाने होते हैं, and then in the end you have to confirm जो आपने pairs बनाए हैं वो correct हैं या नहीं हैं. And this is today's reorder paragraph. This is somewhat similar to what we had done couple of previous videos ago. So let's get started. But you know, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this, and after that we are going to see it. Okay, so now you know the first thing we do is to skim. हम किस चीज के लिए skim करते हैं? To find independent line and if possible to find conclusion line. Conclusion line is optional, but we have to find our independent line using the process of elimination. And in process of elimination हम wrong answers को eliminate करते हैं, right answers को रखते हैं, and we try to find independent line by eliminating all the dependent lines. And this is going to be our best friend forever. The process of elimination is your best friend forever. So let's get started. The subject in this study is Yugisu, Nightingale in Japanese. Okay, तो यहाँ पे कैसे बात हो रही है? जो the subject है, okay, in this study. अब this है तो pronoun है, right? Is it being an independent line? Yes, लग भी रही है, नहीं भी लग रही है. बिकॉज दिस यूज हो गया है तो किसी स्टडी के बारे में आप यहाँ पे बात कर रहे होंगे. ओके, तो अगर किसी स्टडी के बारे में बात हो रही है तो ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं है, बट यहीं से अगर पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो इट कैन बी योर इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन ऑल्सो. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Her family came to the United States for 2 years while her father was a visiting scholar at Harvard, and they took residence in North Cambridge, a working class neighborhood. अब क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है? द आंसर इज नो, बिकॉज हर फैमिली मीन्स प्रोनाउन. किसकी फैमिली? अभी तक कुछ भी डिफाइन नहीं हुआ है, राइट? So this cannot be your independent line. And one important British English rule or grammar rule which I want to tell is the rule of hyphen. When two or more words are acting as an adjective, single adjective for a word, so यहाँ पे neighborhood is your noun and working class is your adjective. So working class, so they will be joined using hyphen. And all these rules and many other useful important rules we teach it as a part of our grammar course. Okay. So Ugusu also attended. Also means उसने पहले कुछ किया होगा. तो एक सिंपल सी बात है, आप ये भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन चूज नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके. So Ugusu also attended public kindergarten of 2 hours every day and later elementary school, but no tutoring in English syntax. Most of her neighborhood friends were in the same class at school. Okay. So that's why also की बात हो गई है, तो ये भी आपकी independent line नहीं है. Now let's see the next line. The children in that neighborhood. अब the children मतलब children की कोई बात हो रही होगी. Neighborhood, right? That neighborhood मतलब neighborhood की भी कोई बात हो रही होगी. वह her मतलब already कोई pronoun यूज हो रहा है, तो हमने ऊपर वाली लाइन भी इसी बेसिस पे रिजेक्ट की थी क्योंकि वहां पे pronoun यूज हो रहा था. Her primary source of language input, तो आपकी ये भी independent line नहीं है. Now let's see the last line. We have already one probable independent line over here, but उसमें pronoun use हो रहा है. Okay, so now let's see the last line. This paper summarizes some major data. The pronunciation of this is going to be data gathered in a longitudinal naturalistic study of a Japanese girl learning English as a second language. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखिए this paper, right? अब आपको लगेगा सर ये भी independent line नहीं हो सकती, but यहाँ पे this paper summarizes. This is more or less like an independent line. Why? Because जो ये subject in this study means ये जो paper वाली बात है ये इससे connected है. Okay? And second thing, if you remember our broad to specific strategy, okay, BS strategy, उसके basis पे भी you can easily do the pairing. तो सबसे पहले आपने जनरल बात की कि ठीक है एक जापानीज गर्ल की स्टडी हुई है, उसके बाद आपने उसका नेम बताया, उगीसु उसका नेम है, राइट, उसका मीनिंग नाइटिंगेल है जापानीज में, और उसके बाद आप हर यूज कर सकते हो या उगीसु ऑल्सो यूज कर सकते हो. So based on that also you found out that this is going to be your independent line. So we are going to eliminate this one also because यहाँ पे subject कौन, यहाँ पे बात हो रही है, सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया है, द सब्जेक्ट है. द सब्जेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है कि सब्जेक्ट ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है इन दिस स्टडी, और स्टडी भी ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस यहाँ पे हो चुकी है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन इज गोइंग टू बी दिस वन. दिस पेपर समराइजेज सम मेजर डेटा gathered in a longitudinal naturalistic study of a Japanese girl learning English as a second language. Now let's see the next line which would be related, but remember आपको pairing करनी होती है. So अब the subject in this study depending upon our SO strategy, because आप यहाँ पे subject को भी introduce कर चुके हो, और paper means यहाँ पे research, paper means यहाँ पे study, more or less similar हैं, तो इनका भी एक पेयर बनेगा. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो एज पर आवर BS स्ट्रैटेजी. पहले आपने नॉर्मल बात की कि कोई भी जापानीज गर्ल हो सकती है, फिर जापानीज गर्ल को डिफाइन किया, राइट, स्पेसिफिक हो गए अब आप उसके. अब व्हाट्स गोइंग टू कम नेक्स्ट, अब आपके पास 3 बाकी ब्लैंक्स बचे हैं. Her family came to United States for 2 years while her father was a visiting scholar and they took residence in North Cambridge, a working class neighborhood. तो यहाँ पे आपका neighborhood इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, राइट. सो दिस इज एज पर आर TO एंड SO स्ट्रैटेजी, मीन्स यहाँ पे neighborhood इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, तो फर्स्ट पहले ये आएगा. अब उसके बाद उगीसु ऑल्सो अटेंडेड, ऑल्सो लिखा हुआ है मतलब उसने कुछ पहले एक्टिविटी कर ली होगी, तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर TO स्ट्रैटेजी, सो ऑल्सो वाला आपको पता है बाद में आएगा. द रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज पहले वो चीज हो चुकी होगी. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर SO स्ट्रैटेजी, अब हम पहले हर फैमिली वाला यूज करेंगे, और यहाँ पे नेबरहुड भी लिंक हो रहा है आपस में. ओके, सो TO स्ट्रैटेजी, यहाँ पे नेबरहुड ऑलरेडी लिंक हो रहा है फर्स्ट लाइन में, सो जो लास्ट लाइन है उसके साथ उसका पेयर बनेगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू मूव इट. नाउ यू नो दैट वर्किंग क्लास नेबरहुड यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हो गया है. So depending upon our SO strategy and TO strategy, पहले आप neighborhood की बात finish out करोगे. So यहाँ पे working class neighborhood के साथ कौन सा neighborhood की बात हो रही है over here, right? The children in that neighborhood were her primary source of language input. Okay, so ये आपने pair बनाया and after that ही आप बात करोगे Ogisu also attended because पहले आपने complete pair बना लिया है depending upon our TO strategy. तो पहले आपने एक topic की बात finish की. Also last में आप add करोगे यहाँ पे, okay? Because also की बात है next activity की. So that's why you are building on the things. तो वैसे भी ये last line बची हुई है. So it's going to come in the last. So let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see how easy things can be अगर आपको हमारी strategies learn हो, अगर आप सही implementation कर सके हमारी strategies की. So our strategies, what are our strategies? Right, Marvel PTE strategies are finding independent line. सबसे पहले हम एक independent line find out करते हैं. There are detailed lectures on how to find independent line. Then BS strategy, we had seen its application today, जहाँ पे आपने पहले कोई जनरल जापानीज गर्ल की बात की ए के साथ, फिर ओगिसु का नाम लिया, फिर उसके बाद आपने हर या बाकी प्रोनाउंस यूज किए. Then CO strategy, chronology strategy, then connectors के basis पे भी बहुत बार we solve our pairs. Then TO rule, you had seen the application of TO rule today, AB rule, abbreviation rule, SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. So all these strategies you have to learn so that you can understand how you can quickly solve your reorder paragraphs. And in 2 minutes you have to solve it. So in first 30 to 60 seconds you are going to skim the content, find an independent line, and if it's an optional, if you can find your conclusion line. And in next 30 to 60 seconds you have to look for clues, find pointers, for example years, however, firstly, examples, and then use process of elimination. And all the strategies which we teach to our students are validated and proven strategies. And the proof is in the ticker below. You can see how many students have achieved their target scores. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 86, 89, 90 also. So if they can score, you can also score, right? If you have any questions or doubts, or you want to take online coaching or offline coaching, you can WhatsApp us at 8699 121 121. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.